Fuck scenarios, this is what's real. Tell me, can you express what you feel? That's what I thought, cause I know that you can't live off emotions, just where I stand. This has been me, I never will change. Through abundance, I'll stay the same. Through prosperity, I'll gain my clarity. Never losing myself again. Through hurt and the pain, I've risen and grown. Through heartbreaks and the very unknown. I hope that you're proud with the progress I've shown. Father, please guide me and show me the ropes. Father, please guide me and show me the ropes. Wish you were here to guide me like most. I wish you were here to help me cope with all my emotions. I hover, I choke.